These 5 foods are destroying your kidney health. The human body is a complex system, made up of multiple organs, that work together to maintain optimal health. Among these vital organs, for the body, the kidneys stand out, as silent heroes, working tirelessly to filter waste and excess fluids to maintain body balance. But recognizing the major impact that diet has on kidney health is important in our quest for overall well-being. In the realm of food choices, certain foods can unintentionally compromise this delicate balance, potentially paving the way for kidney-related complications. In this video, we will discover the 5 common foods that, when eaten in excess, can destroy the health of your kidneys and compromise their functioning. Excessive bananas intake. Bananas, with their natural sweetness and rich nutrients, are a staple in our diet. They are a great source of potassium, vitamin C, and dietary fiber. However, like any good thing, moderation is key. Excessive consumption of bananas can lead to excessive intake of certain nutrients, which can cause adverse effects. The nutritional benefits of bananas are undeniable. Potassium, an essential mineral found in abundance in bananas, plays a crucial role in maintaining proper heart function and blood pressure. The fruit's fiber content aids digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Moreover, bananas are a convenient, energy-boosting snack. On the other hand, excessive potassium intake can be problematic for individuals with kidney problems, as the kidneys can have difficulty eliminating excess potassium efficiently. This can lead to hyperkalemia, a condition characterized by high levels of potassium in the blood, which can cause heart rhythm disturbances. Furthermore, bananas are relatively rich in natural sugars. Although these sugars are accompanied by fiber, eating too many bananas can contribute to excessive calorie intake, leading to weight gain and kidney health-related problems. Understanding the nutritional balance of bananas is essential. By incorporating them in moderation and considering individual health conditions, individuals can enjoy the benefits without falling victim to potential risks of kidney damage. Frozen meals. In our fast-paced society, frozen meals have become a convenient solution for those looking for a quick and easy meal option. These meals offer time-saving benefits, but come with considerations about their nutritional content and the impact of preservatives. Frozen meals often contain a mix of proteins, carbohydrates, and vegetables, providing the appearance of a balanced meal. However, the freezing process can lead to the loss of certain nutrients. Furthermore, the need to extend shelf life often results in the inclusion of preservatives and additives, which can have health implications. High sodium content is a common concern in frozen meals, as excessive salt intake is linked to high blood pressure and causing the formation of kidney stones due to the accumulation of sodium. Additionally, the fat content in some frozen options can contribute to a diet high in saturated fats, potentially raising cholesterol levels and increasing your risk of kidney damage. Choosing frozen meals wisely, opting for those with lower sodium content and healthier fat profiles, can reduce potential health risks. Understanding nutrition labels and being aware of portion sizes are crucial steps to making informed choices when it comes to frozen food options. Excessive oranges intake. Oranges are famous for their vitamin C content and antioxidant properties. They contribute to immune system support, skin health, and general well-being. However, consuming excess oranges can pose challenges, especially for those with specific health problems. The vitamin C in oranges is a powerful antioxidant that helps fight oxidative stress and supports the immune system. Oranges also provide fiber, which aids digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. However, the acidic nature of oranges can be problematic for individuals with acid reflux or sensitive stomachs. Excessive consumption of oranges can lead to vitamin C overload, causing gastrointestinal discomfort, diarrhea and, in extreme cases, kidney stones. Individuals with kidney problems should be cautious as high vitamin C intake can contribute to the formation of oxalate stones. While oxalates are naturally occurring compounds, excessive intake can contribute to the formation of kidney stones. Kidney stones, crystalline formations that develop in the kidneys, can cause significant pain and can lead to complications if left untreated. Finding the right balance is crucial. Including oranges as part of a diverse and balanced diet provides numerous health benefits, without the potential risks associated with excessive intake. Spinach. Spinach is a nutrient-rich leafy green. It is also known for its rich vitamin and mineral content. It is a source of nutrients, including iron, calcium, vitamins A and K, and antioxidants. Despite the numerous health benefits, it is essential to pay attention to the amount consumed. The iron in spinach is non-heme iron, which is not as easily absorbed by the body as the heme iron found in animal products. Although spinach can contribute to iron intake, relying on it alone can pose challenges for individuals with iron deficiency anemia. Additionally, spinach contains oxalates, natural compounds, that can interfere with calcium absorption and contribute to the formation of kidney stones. Oxalates bind with calcium to form crystals, which can accumulate in the kidneys, leading to the development of stones. For those susceptible to kidney stones, moderation in spinach consumption is recommended. Balancing the inclusion of spinach with a variety of other nutrient sources ensures that individuals can benefit from its nutritional richness without encountering potential drawbacks associated with excessive consumption. Dark-colored sodas. Dark-colored sodas, often loaded with sugars and artificial additives, have become a controversial aspect of modern diets. Although they offer a refreshing taste, the health implications associated with their consumption include damaging kidney health. The high sugar content in dark sodas contributes to excessive calorie intake and is linked to several health problems, including obesity, type 2 diabetes, and cardiovascular disease, conditions that can further strain kidney function. Additionally, the phosphoric acid present in many dark sodas can interfere with calcium absorption, potentially affecting kidney damage over time. Artificial sweeteners, often used in diet sodas, have their own set of controversies, with studies suggesting potential links to metabolic disorders and disruptions in the gut microbiota. Alternatively, individuals can opt for healthier drinks, such as water, herbal teas, or natural fruit juices without added sugars. These alternatives not only hydrate the body, but also contribute to overall well-being, without the potential risks associated with dark-colored sodas. These 5 foods, when consumed in excess, can pose risks to kidney health. While each item has its nutritional merits, moderation and awareness are crucial factors in maintaining a kidney-friendly diet. Individuals with existing kidney problems or concerns should consult healthcare professionals for personalized guidance. Promoting kidney health goes hand in hand with adopting a balanced and varied diet, rich in fresh, whole foods. It's not about avoiding specific foods entirely, but understanding how to sensibly incorporate them into a nutritious eating plan. By making informed choices and prioritizing overall well-being, individuals can take proactive steps to safeguard the health of their kidneys and ensure a healthier future. I trust that you enjoyed the content, and click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, enable notifications, and share the video with your friends and family.